guys, it is Bree, and I am back with another crochet podcast, okay? So, I have a lot to show you guys, but I don't have a lot of FOs, you know? So, before, if you looked at my other podcast, you would know that I was working on a poncho and some baby little crochet shoes for infants. I don't have those with me because those were gifts to other people, one for my mom and one for my sister. So like I said, I don't have those right now, so I can't show those, but I will try to get those into another podcast just so you can see what they look like finished. But I do have a whip, and I have started on a continuous granny square blanket, and like I literally just started, so this is what I got so far, and I like it. It's just so cute. These colors are so cute, and they are like a pinkish purple. This is what the roll looks like. It is a sweet roll that I got from Joann Fabrics. It's by Premier, and the color is if I can find the color, raspberry swirl. So that's what it looks like. I'm making a baby blanket, so it is going to be a continuous granny square baby blanket. So I don't know if I'm gonna need 2 full rows. We're gonna see, but that's what I have so far, and I love how it's starting out. Like, I really love it. It is so beautiful. So that's the only whip that I have right now. I know, not a lot. But I'm also going to start a new project, which is going to be a rag rug. I know a lot of people do it with old t-shirts and whatnot. I'm going to actually do mine in the hand spun yarn that I made myself. So I think that would be a really good project to do, you know? But I do have a lot of fiber, so if you're into spinning, you want to learn about spinning, or you just want to see different like wools and whatnot that I have, then I really hope that you enjoy it. I have a lot to get through, so yeah. I have been a part of Paradise Fiber's Fiber of the Month Club for quite a while. I think since November or December of last year. So I definitely have I have 3 months worth to show you. Yes, I'm bad at opening packages. I know, I'm bad, okay? So 2 of these I haven't opened yet. One, I took a little peek and then I put it to the side. Why? I don't know. I don't know. Life, I guess, you know? But I don't know how long I will keep these Fiber of the Months going, just because I have a lot of fiber in my stash, and I want to make sure that I get through it all and not hoard things, you know, because that's starting to be me. I'm starting to be that person, you know, and I don't want to be. So I don't know how long I'm going to keep these going for. I love all the fibers that I always get through it, but I think I will probably get another box or so, maybe, and then cancel, just so I can use up a lot of this fiber that I have, you know. So the first box right here that I'm going to show you, that's their little logo, that I'm going to show you is the box for July. And I don't know if you have seen these already, because like I said, this is from July, but just work with the kid, okay? So like every other Paradise Fiber box, that's what it looks like. And it's got fireworks on it because this is from July. And I just love how they started packaging all their stuff. So this is their glitter. Oh, glitter. Because I see shiny stuff, okay? This is all the fiber that's in this month. So you get red, blue, and silver. Red, blue, and silver Angelina. I'm not too good at spinning with Angelina, just because I do have a drop spindle. I probably need to work with it a little bit more, but it's so thin, you know. But I'm pretty sure that I'm gonna want to use this in something. I don't know. I'm trying to get my yarn to be a little bit thinner when I spin, because I spin a lot of chunky yarn, I want to try to get it a little bit thinner. Then I have this wool. Let me get my paper so I can see what it is. Okay, so this is 4 ounces of the Fiber Club exclusive Merino, Superfine Merino and Glitter Stellina / Angelina blend. It is 4 ounces. It is called Firework. This is so freaking pretty. Like, I don't even know. All these different colors, what the heck? I just wonder what it looks like when it's gonna be spun up. Like, that's cute. That is so cute. And it's a lot. Like, I don't want to take it all the way out because I'm not gonna be able to get it all the way back in. But that is a lot, and it's so freaking soft. It is so soft. I cannot wait. I think this might be my next thing that I spin because that's too cute. It is too cute. So we have that, and and then we have 3 ounces of dyed Leicester. I'm gonna butcher these names. I'm sorry. Leicester wool fleece. It is scored, and like I said, it is 3 ounces, and oh my gosh, this is freaking soft. Oh my goodness. And it is called Rainbow. Oh my goodness. This is like super soft. It almost looks like, these look like little locks. It's like mustard and ketchup. And then you got some orange right there, and you got some blue. Ooh, I don't know what I would do with this, but this is soft. If you ever felt merino and you feel this feels like actual real hair, like coming off of someone's head. Like, it's weird. It's so weird, but it's so cute. It's so cool at the same time. They definitely got colorful for the 4th of July, which I love because, I mean, I like color, like, you know. And then we have some Beyond Clean Unicorn Baby Concentrated Laundry Detergent. It is fragrance free, it's tougher on stains and odors, and removes lanolin. It's biodegradable. It deep cleans natural and synthetic fibers. So that's pretty cool. I love when they send little packets like this. Yep, and that's pretty much it for that. And like I said before, this is 6 grams of Angelina. It is in royal, silver, and red. Okay, I don't know if it's on their website, but man, that's pretty. Like, everything in here is just really, really pretty. Okay, so that was it for the that was it for the July box. Let's toss that to the side. Now we're gonna go into the August box. Let me cut it open, and it's so sad I haven't even opened it. You should be like, shame on you, Bree. Shame on you for letting these beautiful fibers sit for too long. Trying to be safe. Okay, woo! And this is what it looks like inside of this box. You can see it's beautiful. It's not me tampering with it first. But that's what it looks like. Polka dots. So we have our little insert with a little cupcake on it. Ooh. So it's happy birthday to the Fiber Club. It's been 5 years that they've been having this Fiber Club. So I'm about to open it. Oh my goodness, what in the world? What the heck? That's what it looks like on the inside. Oh my gosh, this is weird. What the heck is this? 2 ounces. Hold on, let me see. Let me make sure I'm saying this right. This is 2 ounces of, it's called cake batter. It is de-haired. It's de-haired cashmere top in 14.5 merino ultra silk micron and 14.5 micron ultra fine merino lamb's wool blend 50-50. it says 50-50. So the top layer is this teal. It's really nice. It's got gray in it. Ooh, and I know what I would want to use this with. So this is gray. Oh, it is so squishy and soft. And then at the bottom, it is this white color. I have a lot of white fiber, so I'll definitely be able to do a big project with that. And then hopefully I'm getting these names right, because I don't really see a name on here. And this is the Frosted Halo collection. It is 2 ounces. You get 2 colors. It's undyed kid mohair and dyed mulberry silk blend. And it is this lime green. It's in the color key lime, or the collection key lime. So it's this lime green. Oh my gosh, this feels like human hair. This is so unreal right now. Look at this lime green. Oh my goodness, that's crazy. And then it comes with some more white. Woo! It really is a cupcake. It really is. This is like Christmas every time I get one of these packages. If you are on the fence about ordering from or joining their Fiber of the Month club, I really suggest that you do. And then this is 2 ounces of dyed wool nips. So it looks like this. I'm not quite sure what I would do with it. I'll have to look it up of what I should do with this, but it's very colorful. It's really pretty. So I got that. And then of course and it comes with a little button. That's their logo, Paradox Fibers logo. And it comes with a little sticker like always, and it's called Happy B-Day. Well, it says Happy B-Day on it. So that is all for the month of August. I'm so impressed with these boxes. I think I only got let down one time, and that's when I had a whole bunch of white and black wool or fiber. So, but other than that, I just absolutely love everything that I've been getting so far. I'm gonna throw that to the side. Now it's for what's we got for this month of September, and it came in a really big bag like this. And I'm gonna open it up. And guys, I really hope that you enjoy podcasts like this, even when I'm just starting out on new whips and I don't really have that much to show. This is what it came in one of these little string backpacks. This is actually pretty cool, you know? So let's open it up and see. Comes with this. Oh, that's why they did it like that. Back to school. It's like I'm going back to school again. Woo! That is so cool. Wow. It's literally like I got a back to school package. Okay. But we all know I don't want to go back to school. Got 3 highlighters. Look, I'm smiling from ear to ear. Like, they didn't have to do this. Got a piece of gum. In every fiber box, you're always going to find candy. There's gloves. Okay, okay. There's a sticker that looks like an apple. And then another pen. Oh, so we got 2 pens. That's really nice. That's really nice. Oh my gosh, that is so cute. Okay. This pencil pouch. So we have a little baggie, and it is undyed fiber. It feels like this might be the 4 ounces of undyed premium Cheviot wool top. Undyed. I think that's what that is. And it feels very thick too. Then we have a bag that has a little llama or alpaca or something that says Hairy Good on it. So I'm gonna pop it open. Or actually, oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Actually, this, I think, is the 4 ounces of undyed premium Cheviot wool top. Oh my gosh, it's a lot in here. Oh my goodness. Yep, this is the Cheviot wool top. This is a lot. Whoop, I tore the bag. I'm gonna put that down here. Oh my gosh, that is a lot. And then we have these little bags of, probably these are, they're sari, maybe they're recycled silk sari, pulled rovings. And I have, yeah, I think that's what this is. And I have this one, and it's like a royal blue. It's got other little things filtered into there. Have another one of those bags. And I'm glad that they had this in this box, because I was going to order some of these, but I'm glad that I didn't. And this multicolored one. So these are 1 ounces each a piece, for a total of 4 ounces. And then I have a hot pink one, or magenta-y one. Whoa, fuchsia maybe. I don't know what color this is, but dang, that is bright. Oh my gosh, that is cute. Oh my goodness. I ain't never seen a color like that before. And so this white one has to be the 4th color in the recycled sari silk pulled rovings. Yeah, so it's just a white color. My goodness. So if you ever think, if you're ever wondering if you're gonna get your bang for your buck with Paradise Fibers Fiber Club, you definitely will. The Fiber Club price, I think, is $34.99 a month, but look at all that fiber that I got. Like, that pays for itself, you know. And I feel like, and then some, because a highlight, like, you get this too. Like, come on now. I feel like this is a very good deal. If you want to try it, definitely try it. Like I said before, I hope you enjoyed this podcast. I know it's kind of different from my other ones, because I didn't have that many whips, and I couldn't show you the FOs because I already gifted them to the person. So I hope you still enjoyed this video anyway, and I will see you in the next one. Stay tuned for the next podcast, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.